Robert E. Lee's staff selects this location, the Thompson House, as Lee's headquarters during the battle. Mathew Brady and his crew record 4 photos, and we can step into one that was taken right here.
Coming up from the American Battlefield Trust.
I'm standing at the site of one of Mathew Brady's famous photographs taken here on the battlefield of Gettysburg. We'll show you that in just a sec. Just know that we're standing on the first day's field, and wherever you look here, there would have been fighting. 50,000 Union and Confederate soldiers struggling across these fields, producing 17,000 casualties, in which the Confederate Army pushes the Union Army back toward the town of Gettysburg. After the Confederates had actually captured this ridge, Seminary Ridge, Robert E. Lee's staff, he's commanding the Confederate Army, selects this location, the Thompson House, and the area around it as Lee's headquarters during the battle. From there, Robert E. Lee directs the Battle of Gettysburg. And not long after he falls back, Mathew Brady and his crew record 4 photos of the house itself, and we can step into one that was taken right here. Look at the Chambersburg Pike, damaged with the fences on the side of it from the Battle of Gettysburg and from the soldiers. You can see every stone on the building is still the same. And you can see Mathew Brady standing and the widow Thompson, the owner of the house, sitting there right in front of Mathew Brady. You can see her doghouse. You can see the woods of Oak Ridge beyond it. This site has been preserved by the members and supporters of the American Battlefield Trust, and it's open for you to come see. Now, those aren't the only photos Brady recorded here in this area. He got the first day's field. He got the seminary, he recorded the town of Gettysburg, and he also took several steps off in that direction there and recorded indisputably one of the most famous photos of the entire Civil War. I'll give you a hint, it has 3 soldiers in it, and they are Confederate soldiers.
Get inspired at battlefields.org.